بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Respected parents and my dear students, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Students, this is your mathematics class. Let's start our studies. Okay, students, first of all of you open page 18. Can you see? This is page 18 in your books. Hurry up, all of you open it. Okay students, now back towards the studies. Today our topic is compare 1 and 2 digit numbers. Compare 1 and 2 digit numbers. Do you know students what are 1 and 2 digit numbers? 1 digit numbers are starting from 0 to 9. Read with me. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are 1 digit numbers. And do you know students what are 2 digit numbers? 2 digit numbers start after 9. They are starting from 10 till 99. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and the rest all numbers up to 99. Students, in the previous lecture we have done the counting starting from 0 to 99. Okay students, and I know that you all know how to count. So 1 digit numbers are from 0 to 9 and 2 digit numbers are starting from 10 up to 99. So students, today our topic is we have to compare 1 and 2 digit numbers. Okay students, so what is comparing? Who will tell me? Yes? Okay, let me tell you. Compare means we will see students that which number is smaller and which number is greater. Okay students, हम ये देखेंगे कि 1 and 2 digit numbers में जब हम compare करेंगे तो हम ये compare करेंगे कि कौन सा number जो है वो बड़ा है और कौन सा number छोटा है. Okay students, let's read with me. In counting of numbers from 0 to 99, students, when we are counting the numbers from 0 to 99, जब हम 0 से 99 काउंटिंग कर रहे होते हैं, we can observe, हम देख सकते हैं that every number which comes after a number is greater than all previous numbers. When we are counting from 0 to 99, we can see, हम देख सकते हैं that every number which comes, हर वो number जो आता है after, बाद में, a number is greater, हर अगला आने वाला number is always greater than all the previous numbers. Okay students, let's start counting. Like if you are counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so you can observe that 1 after 1, 2 is greater. 2 1 से बड़ा है? Yes, very good. और 2 से बड़ा क्या है? 3. Excellent. And which number is greater than 3? 4. Very good. 4. So हर next number जो होता है वो पहले वाले number से greater होता है. So similarly, a number which comes before a number is smaller than all the numbers which come after that number. Similarly, इसी तरह a number which comes before a number, इसी तरह स्टूडेंट्स जो बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग हम करते हैं तो उसमें हमें नज़र आता है. डू यू नो स्टूडेंट्स व्हाट इज़ बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग? यस, very good. We have done backward counting. एंड बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग में हम बैकवर्ड काउंट कर रहे होते हैं, लाइक 10, देन 10 से पहले कौन सा नंबर था, 9, बिफोर. ओके, बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग में हम बिफोर नंबर्स को रीड करते हैं. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. ठीक है, तो जब हम बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग कर रहे होते हैं तो वी कैन सी दैट बिफोर अ नंबर इज स्मॉलर देन ऑल द नंबर्स. फिर हम एक एक करके छोटे स्मॉलर नंबर्स की तरफ जा रहे होते हैं, इन द डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर जा रहे होते हैं. ठीक है, एंड इन रेगुलर काउंटिंग हम इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर की तरफ जा रहे होते हैं, यानी बड़े से बड़ा, ग्रेटर से ग्रेटर. एंड इन द बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग वी आर गोइंग टूवर्ड्स स्मॉलर टू स्मॉलर नंबर. Every 2-digit number is always greater than 1-digit number. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आपने ये याद रखना है कि हर 2-digit नंबर, कोई भी 2-digit नंबर हो, 14, 15, 19, 88, 76, even वट एवर द 2-digit नंबर, जो भी 2-digit नंबर होगा, दैट इज़ ऑलवेज ग्रेटर दैन 1-digit नंबर. वो 1-digit नंबर से क्या होता है, हमेशा बड़ा होता है, इज़ ऑलवेज ग्रेटर दैन 1-digit नंबर. वेरी गुड. सो टुडे वी विल कंप्लीट दिस एक्सरसाइज. इट्स एन एग्जाम्पल. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, इट्स फॉर एग्जाम्पल, बट टुडे वी विल कंप्लीट दिस, ताकि हमें कंसेप्ट क्लियर हो दैट हाउ वी कंपेयर 1 and 2-digit numbers. Very good. So grab your pencils and start writing with me. In the first, students, it is written that 9 is smaller than 13. They are saying that 9 is smaller than 13. 9 जो है वो 13 से smaller है. Is it okay students? What do you think? 9 13 से smaller है? Yes, 9 is smaller than 13 because 9 is 1-digit number and 13 is 2-digit number. Very good. So we have written here smaller than. Let's check another one they have done for us. 32 is greater than 5. Students, is it okay that 32 is greater than 5? 32 जो है 5 से greater है? Yes, it's okay. It's the correct answer. 32 is greater than 5. 32 5 से greater है, बड़ा digit है, because it's a 2-digit number and 5 is a 1-digit number. Now the rest we will do by ourselves. Okay students, tell me about 7. 7 is smaller than or greater than 25? 7 smaller है या greater है? Very good. 7 is smaller than 25. ये 25 से smaller है because 7 is 1-digit number and 25 is 2-digit number, and we have learnt above that every 2-digit number is always greater than the 1-digit number. So we will write here 7 is smaller than 25. Write with me students. Okay students, we have written the answer here that 7 is smaller than 25. And in the next, 48 is greater than 7. Can you see this students? 48 is a 2-digit number. So 48 is greater than 7. 48 7 से बड़ा number है. So 48 is greater than 7. Write with me all of you. Okay, now about 1. 1 is smaller than 32. 1 32 से smaller digit है because 1 is 1-digit number and 32 is 2-digit number. So 1 जो है वो 32 से smaller number है. We have written here smaller than. And now in the next one, 59 is greater than 6. 59 6 से greater है because 59 is a 2-digit number and 6 is a 1-digit number. So today we have learned about how to compare 1 and 2-digit numbers. Okay, students, I hope you have enjoyed today's class. Now it's your homework time. And your homework is, students, you have to complete this exercise. Okay, आपने इस exercise को complete करना है. It's an example. Okay, this is page 18. आपने इस exercise को complete करना है, and then you have to share the picture of this example or exercise in your WhatsApp group. Okay, students, I hope you have enjoyed today's class. Stay home, stay safe. Take care, students. Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.